Yeah. What's up? Ingaka lo. Sopula kapa. Obatshele jaya. Sesizwe ngabo laba. Selection music SOBHO.
Fikile ngihungry ngofela enkanini bar secrets in the parts ngistrict sikulesipani ngifice MTCs nami ngeskill sami no sound versity awungungcwethi bacikilisha igagu kangangokuba nami sengagcwele all their cities no MTCDs ngiskimminga ngithi I'm ill I'm full in MP3s and known as different places northwest south and east nyukunix bazama ungenza umthixi iqiniso lithi katetelo ngizokinginingi ngifithi ngathi ngikhumuya istick sayimikini ngithi maybe ngabe ngirichi lithi kube ngathi British from the beginning no miss Greek kudala ngithimlisi ngisingisignise with deal ngibuza into eningi thiwe kimi mangenani ngisephokuthini ishuthi off ideal ngisazi ngithini
Esophunga abatsheli ukuthi barap indaphupha kungekudala bazobhupha
hayi ngizobatshela phela ngifuna kuthiwe siyazuma masehlasela
Esophunga abatsheli ukuthi barap indaphupha kungekudala bazobhupha
hayi ngizobatshela phela ngifuna kuthiwe siyazuma masehlasela
flopa na guy chat shisa amajaji sefike phili trapped ntathu chat zochithi isimo masekhafula ibhathi ngikhomba phansi bazofunga igoli ipractice Mrs Pingo ngale pimp sabenzela imlingo bavume nguThixo ngishona khona no plan uzobona masefika khona ngisale gode tete lirilic elibhokela abaningi ikinga ukuthi bakhoze nokuphela bangiphendula imbali ngifuna imali ngidlala ngibhala daily isibala ngilala basethi ngibhala kudabuka ipage ngisayking esavethi ngaphezulu kwetshalo zalo hlasela ngembhala ifake izikhale ngovalo vele inkunzi ngangishilo kophela inkhafula umlilo nevesi nempilo uzwile enhleki manje ngisazwile bethu sopola kapaka kusayidubane bomasaka bethu sopola kapaka kusayincaka xazobaqaka bethu sopola ikapaka kusayidubane bomasaka kusayincaka xazobaqaka ngizwile Esophunga abatsheli ukuthi barap indaphupha kungekudala bazobhupha
hayi ngizobatshela phela ngifuna kuthiwe siyazuma masehlasela
Esophunga abatsheli ukuthi barap indaphupha kungekudala bazobhupha
hayi ngizobatshela phela ngifuna kuthiwe siyazuma masehlasela
Esophunga abatsheli ukuthi barap indaphupha kungekudala bazobhupha
hayi ngizobatshela phela ngifuna kuthiwe siyazuma masehlasela
Esophunga abatsheli ukuthi barap indaphupha kungekudala bazobhupha
hayi ngizobatshela phela ngifuna kuthiwe siyazuma masehlasela.
Man, this motherfucker start making a beat, man. That shit was so whack. And I'm not even hating, yo. I'm being serious, man. Whack. All these, y'all need to help me out, man. Y'all need to start telling people that they suck. Because some people don't need to be doing music and shit. And I'm not talking about everybody. I'm just talking about the obvious whack motherfuckers. And the low-key whack motherfuckers. So y'all need to stop trying to be nice and, oh, that was mean. No, it's not about being mean. It's about being honest. And some people probably have a career to be a doctor and they going down this music path and they just fuck their whole life up. You know what I'm saying? So that's just some shit I wanted to say.